Imagine taking a lengthy, hour-long live stream and instantly transforming it into a stack of ready-to-post short clips that actually capture attention. That is exactly what I want to walk you through today using Vizard, because it truly makes the entire repurposing process shockingly simple. Stick with me for a few minutes, and I will show you how fast you can go from raw upload to viral-ready content. First things first, pick the long-form video you want to repurpose, whether it is a YouTube talk, a podcast episode, or a detailed product demo. With Vizard, you can simply paste the URL or upload the file directly, and I usually find that pasting the link saves quite a bit of time. Once your video is in, hit that Analyze button and let the smart artificial intelligence do all the heavy lifting for you. Within just a minute or two, the platform scans your entire video and spits out a bunch of candidate clips that are essentially highlight detection on steroids. It smartly flags the most energetic moments, punchlines, key tips, and reaction shots that are statistically likely to perform well on social media. The cool part is that it doesn't just chop things up randomly, but it actually ranks clips by potential engagement and suggests several different lengths and styles. Now you will see a grid of suggested clips alongside a condensed script preview for every single one of them. The AI effectively reads the room by pulling out the strongest sentences and framing them into bite-sized, engaging stories. But do not worry if the machine misses a bit you think is pure gold, because you can always add it back in. Simply click into the original transcript, highlight the sentence you want, and the tool will create an extra clip for that exact moment. Sometimes the auto-selected thumbnail feels off topic, but no drama, you can just swap it out with something better. Vizard shows you suggested frames from the clip, but you can also search the media library or upload your own visual if you have one. If you need a quick thumbnail and don't have one, the built-in image generator lets you create a fresh visual in just a few seconds. Choose a style, pick an aspect ratio, tweak the prompt to your liking, and boom, you have a clean thumbnail ready for your clip. Speaking of aspect ratios, always double-check your output settings depending on whether you're posting to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. If a scene looks cropped after switching ratios, you can easily reposition the frame or replace the clip with a better one. A quick tip here is that when a static image is used as a placeholder, you can enable zoom or animation options to keep things dynamic. That little move effectively turns yawns into motion and really helps retain your audience's attention. If you notice the AI suggests a cut that feels a bit weird or the audio is slightly off, you have full timeline control. Simply drag the clip edges to extend or trim, rearrange segments, and nudge your audio with the ease of sliding a bar. Transcript-based editing makes this even simpler, allowing you to jump to exact moments just by clicking a line of text. You can cut out micro pauses and tighten up the delivery, and suddenly the whole clip feels much more crisp and human. Another neat trick is that the platform automatically generates captions for every single clip you create. Since subtitles are fully editable, you can fix any misheard words or punch up the text to match your specific brand vibe. You can even toggle styling to bold key phrases, add emojis, or change fonts, which is huge for silent autoplay on social media. If you want to spice things up even more, try the Effects and Transitions panel to make your viewers actually stop scrolling. Minimal transitions usually work best for quick social clips, but a subtle zoom or a quick glitch on the hook adds a professional touch. I personally like to add a small animation to the first couple of seconds, like a slow push, to make thumbnails feel like they breathe. Keep it light though, as you always want your content to feel native and authentic to the platform you are posting on. Regarding audio, you can stick with the original recording or use the tool to generate natural-sounding voiceovers from the transcript. If you choose to generate a voice, pick a tone that fits your specific audience, as upbeat and conversational styles tend to perform well. Just be sure to check that the generated audio lines up perfectly with your visual timeline, and drag the ends if you need a quick adjustment. One thing I really love about this workflow is how it handles batching, allowing you to apply one style template across multiple clips. When you are ready to publish, the auto-schedule feature is an absolute game changer for staying consistent without manual daily work. Pair that with the content calendar, and you can see your entire month at a glance, rearrange posts, and adjust if trends change your priorities. Compared to other tools, this hits a sweet spot because it finds the good moments for you while giving you easy manual control. The end result is that you spend significantly less time chopping footage and much more time actually creating new ideas. To get started, try reviewing the AI highlighted clips, pick the top 5 to 10 you feel best about, and start editing those captions. Remember to add a consistent visual or audio stamp so that viewers start to recognize your specific content style quickly. In the end, the heavy lifting is done by the AI. Scan, find viral bits, caption, and suggest the best formats. If you are a creator who is tired of spending hours editing and posting, this approach will legitimately change the game for you. Take a moment to pick one long video, drop it into the tool, and try generating a few clips for yourself. Trust me, the first time you hit publish and watch the scheduler do its thing, you will feel like you just unlocked a cheat code. Thanks for watching, and go make something that people simply cannot scroll past.